Hi guys, so today I want to create a video showing you how to split your screen on the Chromebook. The first thing that you are going to want to do is have two tabs open. So just for practice right now, I have my Earth Science slides from my teacher, and then I have decided to take some focus notes. So here we go. I have my docs open and I'm taking notes here. Today I will is what I'm trying to complete. So in order to achieve a split screen, what we're going to do is you're going to hover onto one of your tabs. So this is your first tab and this is your second tab. What we want to do first is go to our first tab, click on the tab, do not let go. I repeat, do not let go. Until you have dragged with your other finger to the right hand side. And you're going to see a white box. I just saw it. Where did it go? Okay, so you see this white box here. Until you see this white box, do not let go. So now that I have seen my white box, I'm going to let go. Boom. Split screen. Great, we've split our screen. However, I cannot finish writing my notes on the left-hand side. I only see partial page right here. So perfect on this side, I can see my notes. My slides from my teacher, but I cannot see my own note. What I'm gonna do is either scroll down and scroll to the left and right. Boom, there we go. All I did was scroll to the right. Now I can see my notes. Now I can start typing. If you still don't feel comfortable and you want this a little bit more maximized, we can go to, let me get my pointer mouse. So you see this center, this black line in the center. Now you have two arrows to the right and to the left. So if you go to the right, you're gonna hold your mouse and pull it towards the right. You can see that your left screen is getting bigger. Okay, if you pull it to the other side, the left screen is getting smaller, so you're minimizing. We want to find that good balance. So for you, that good balance might be less of your slides and more of your notes. Or it may be the opposite. So just practice with it. All I'm doing is holding down the mouse and pulling from left to right until I see what I want. Okay, and so just to recap, what you're going to do is go to your tab. So pretend I had these two tabs open. You're going to click your tab. You're going to go to the right or to the left until you see the white box, partial white box. Then you can adjust your screen. And now you have two. Boom, there we go. I hope this helped. If you need some more help, you can call me on Google Meet and we will work on this together. Hopefully this helps you also in your other classes. For sure on Monday, we will be on Google Meet and I am going to share my screen with you. Again, this time we are going to go over day 1 and we will be going over the slides, and then within those slides there are some links. So that is why it's very important to learn how to split your screen. I really hope this helps and I will see you guys Monday.